So this screech was actually pretty good. We're gonna put it in S.
What the fuck, man? What the fuck, man? Guys. Oh, 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 oh. This guy fucking sucks penis!
This is the Zoro, but not the one you need. Yeah, that's why you say real. No, you have real, you have real.
The moon is red. What does the moon is red, by the way, mean? Like, what is that even from? I know it's like a saint, but what are we talking about?